I stop the world. World stop.
Breaking news, apparently the bull run is back, and it's also LSK token migration day.
But how do I claim my tokens?
Here's a step-by-step guide.
Carry on.
First things first is we're gonna head on over to the LSK portal, where you'll click the Claims Token link and connect your wallet. We have a few options here for you, but for the purpose of this demo, we're gonna be using Wallet Connect. Copy your address at the top, and then we're gonna bring it on over to your LSK L1 wallet. Friendly reminder, this will only be available on the desktop version. Once you click Connect Wallet, you're gonna paste that address that you just copied. A prompt will pop up that will allow you to choose which accounts you would like to connect. Friendly reminder, only one account should be connected in this process. Once you're ready, press connect. And just like that, you've been successfully paired. This is where it gets fun. You'll be brought back to the LSK portal claim token page. This is where you'll be able to see your L1 address, your eligible LSK, and the L2 destination address. You are now 2 steps away from migrating your LSK Layer 1 tokens to L2 tokens. So let's get into it. We're gonna toggle back to the L1 wallet because we're gonna have to sign a raw message stating for you to confirm that this transaction was initiated from another application, being the LSK portal. Once you click continue, another prompt will pop up asking you to enter in your password. Don't worry about this message, you can click close. It is just a receipt for the action performed. Part 1 is done, now we're moving on to part 2. We'll be connecting to MetaMask because we have LSK added as a network. Once you're set, you're gonna click the submit claim button. A MetaMask prompt will pop up. Is this starting to feel very familiar? I know that's right. An important note, you will need gas to perform this action. Now click confirm, et voila. Part 2 is now completed. And if I were you, I would make sure I checked the transaction receipt just for peace of mind. The information includes the transaction hash, the amount, the sending and the receiving wallet, and the date and time of the transaction. And if you would like even more information, you can click view on LSK Explorer. You've successfully claimed your LSK L2 tokens. Congrats!